Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing good and keeping safe. My name is Pradeep, also known as Distill Stills on the interweb. I want to let you in to a secret project that I've been working on. The apron is back, so I guess we are talking about some kitchen stuff. What kitchen stuff, Pradeep? Nah, you ain't a juggler. That's just too dangerous. But you already spoke about the pan. Check out this video. In 2021, none of us are really unfamiliar with fermented food. And growing up as a South Indian kid, fermented food was part and parcel of our daily diet. And as some of you might know, I am really big on fermentation. And my favorite fermented food is, of course, kombucha. And I have made some videos on how to make kombucha from scratch. That is it, guys. It is just as simple to make kombucha. Have fun making it yourself. Check out the video that I made over here and let me know if that helped you a lot. Do you like kombucha? For most people, fermented food is mostly gooey, smelly stuff. But thanks to the lockdowns in 2021 and 2020, many people resorted to a particular fermented food, which is sourdough. And that has helped many people cope with the lockdown. I didn't really get on the bandwagon early on, but of late I did do some experiments of my own. I started a sourdough starter a couple of months ago, and I had some interesting experiences with it. Full disclosure, I never ended up making an actual sourdough loaf with that, but I made some interesting stuff, and in this video you can see one of the recipes that I made. And I also made some cookies with sourdough starter, and these are the pictures of the said cookies. This cookie was unlike any other. It was nice and crumbly. There was a little bit of that fermenty taste which I really love. It was also very chewy, and as you can see, it's a very amateur attempt on my part, but I really enjoyed it. And I know some people who are experts in sourdough. For example, if you'd like to check them out, look for Aruna on Instagram. I have left the link to her page in the description below. She's an expert on sourdough and she makes a lot of things out of sourdough starter. You might be interested in that as well. So enjoy this recipe and I'll tell you what I learned about sourdough in the end. I hope that was fun, and I hope you try it too, because when I tried making sourdough and sourdough starter, even though I never ended up making the bread itself, sourdough starter is pretty awesome according to me, because you can make so many wonderful things with just the sourdough starter and the sourdough discard, which you usually throw away. But many people have come up with very interesting recipes for things to do with sourdough starter, and I learned quite a few things by doing this process. Number one was obviously patience. I waited a long time for the starter to get active, and I was rewarded because of the wait time. Especially where I live right now, the temperatures are quite low in general, and now summer is here and temperatures are starting to pick up. This might be a faster turnaround time for sourdough starter, but when I started it was quite cold. Other thing I learned was this process of making sourdough starter is quite forgiving. As you might know, sourdough has been around for ages and ages, and not this scientific method of sourdough which most people practice today was not around at that point of time. So I guess they did it by trial and error, and yeah, I did it by trial and error too, though I tried to measure the ingredients that I use and the time that I took and the time when I used to feed it, but I missed a lot of days. But let me tell you, the sourdough starter did not mind. It turned out really fine, and I hope that you try it too for these exact lessons. If not for anything else, then at least for these sourdough pancakes that I made in this video. They were really delicious, I'll tell you. You must try those. I hope this video helped you in some way, at least as the experiment helped me in some way. And if it did, and if it brought some value to you, I would appreciate it if you would like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I hope to make more such videos in the future. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions or if you would like to share your experience, please leave a comment below. I really would like to connect with you. And if you would like to look up my other projects, I am most active on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description below. I am known as Distilled Stills on Instagram. Hope to see you on the internet or in real life sometime. Bye. I want to let you in on a secret project that I have been working on. Okay, so jokes aside, this position is really uncomfortable. Let me move to a chair. See you later. Bye-bye.